Hey Pickle Bear family, welcome back. We saw a post this week about a pickle bouquet in honor of Valentine's Day, and we thought, let's give it a try. A Pickle Bear pickle bouquet. Let's do it. So we did a little collection of goods today. We have our jar with rocks that I put some twine around. That's gonna be our base. Some pickled habaneros, pickled garlic. These are our bread and butter chips. Some super hots. I believe this is Scotch bonnet pickles. Some fresh jalapenos, and then some protection here. And our spears. And then we got some baby's breath here. It's a little additive, because what's Valentine's Day without pickles and flowers, apparently. We're just gonna try this. We've never done it before, but we thought it would be fun, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with our jalapenos here. We'll start with 2 and see what that does. I'm just gonna dry these off a little bit so that we don't have brine oozing off of our bouquet. I think a nice addition here would be some chips. We have our delicious bread and butter chips here. Wouldn't that look nice on a skewer? Now, there's one thing I never thought I'd be doing in my life. It's making a pickle bouquet. So I'm gonna try and use maybe a couple habaneros as a stopper so that my chips don't go sliding. I love the way these bread and butter smell. All right, that's a really heavy spear, so I think that's all I'm gonna risk with it. Oh, that works, right? There we go. Hi. This is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever done.
It's trending.
It's trending, apparently. I think might need some more chips here. That works. This is just gonna get eaten anyway, right? Wait, I think some garlic might be fun. I don't know.
Maybe put a little piece of garlic on top.
Yeah, and then we're gonna top that.
Oh, there we go.
Ho ho, yes!
Habanero garlic time.
Top that with another piece of garlic.
It is really neat looking.
This is ridiculous.
But look at the amount of pickles we had to waste just to make this happen. And now I'm not going to eat any of those or any of the raw peppers or anything.
Nope, that ain't happening.
Everything on the skewers is pickled with the exception of
Fresh.
the fresh jalapenos that you see here.
Yeah.
But the habaneros there have been pickled. The garlic has been pickled.
So that was our quick and easy tutorial on how to make a Pickle Bear pickle bouquet. Like, comment, share, send us pictures if you've tried this, and especially if you think this is as ridiculous as we do. So this is the final product, a Pickle Bear pickle bouquet. Happy Valentine's Day, all you pickle lovers. Thanks for joining us, Pickle Bear family, and we'll see you next time. Take a bite, I got one. Do it.
Which pickle is that?
It's a hot one.